Hi guys! Today, we're going to learn how to download Minecraft on your mobile. First, unlock your phone and open either the App Store if you're on iPhone or Play Store if you're on Android. Both stores work the same way for downloading apps. Once the store opens, tap on the search bar. On iPhone, it's usually at the bottom right, and on Android, it's typically at the top. This is where you'll type the name of the game you want. Now type Minecraft in the search bar and hit search. You'll see Minecraft appear in the results just below the search field. Tap on it to open the app page. After tapping Minecraft, you'll see the apps page showing the icon, screenshots, and details. Make sure it's the official Minecraft app by Mojang to avoid fake versions. Here's an important step. Minecraft is a paid app, so you need to purchase it. Tap the price button and confirm your payment method. Make sure your card or payment account is set up correctly to complete the purchase. Once the payment is successful, the download will start automatically. Wait for the app to install on your device. After installation, you can open it and start playing. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Minecraft on your mobile without any issues. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more helpful gaming tutorials.